Hello, this is Brian Rezny, President of Rezny Wealth Management, bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment markets. Well, we're firmly into 2020. The economy, generally speaking, is in a nice uptrend. We expect greener pastures in 2020. From our research, and again, we do research on a daily basis, not only on the investment markets, but how the economy here and other parts of the world is doing. We see no signs of recession for 2020. Now, that may change down the road or in the next 10 years or somewhere in between, but generally speaking, the economy is growing. Other parts of the world are starting to get a little bit more stabilized, so their economies hopefully will help kick our economy into maybe a higher gear. We're working on major trade deals that will get finalized not only with China, Canada, and Mexico, and other countries around the world. These, again, will be net positives. The administration that we currently have, they're actually doing a great job on not only foreign policy, but a lot of these trade deals that need to get done and should have been done decades ago. So again, I see a growing economy. We've made a few adjustments in our portfolios across the board for our clients. We're going to be making a couple more minor adjustments coming up, we see. So again, we want to capture the returns when they're there, but we also want to get a little bit more defensive if we need to be, but we're currently not at that point in time. I will tell you, though, from what I've seen coming out of the Wall Street firms and banks and insurance companies last year, if you do remember, they were all calling for a major recession in 2019. From our research, and we kept telling our TV radio show listeners, and more important, our clients, that we didn't see any recession last year. We were right. Again, Wall Street was wrong. But again, you got to remember, Wall Street's agenda is to move things around a lot, sell you sponsored products they manufacture or are required to sell. Rezny Wealth Management, we work for our clients 100% of the time as a fee-only fiduciary money manager. So again, we see greener pastures. What could the returns be this year compared to last year? There were some big returns last year, of course. I do not expect that this year. Could we get a small pullback this year, 2-3%? Could the market be up another 15 or somewhere in between? Realistically, the economy is growing, the consumer is doing quite well. I see the overall equity market, we have a potential maybe to go up 8 to 12% this year. Could be a little better, could be a little bit worse. I see interest rates fairly flat because the Fed is not going to probably do much on interest rates, either raising or lowering. So rates will stay pretty stable overall. I see housing doing a little bit better this year than last year. So generally speaking, a growing economy. If you're a client of our firm and you have any questions or you need to schedule a review, call the office. And as always, we always appreciate your business and your trust. If you're not a client of our firm, it's time you became a client. Call Rezny Wealth Management for a consultation. If you have a $500,000 portfolio larger, we'd love to help manage your money and help secure your retirement like we have for hundreds and hundreds of clients over the years. Have yourself a safe and profitable day.